Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Do you know there are more than 400 million registered small businesses across the globe? But here's the shocking part. More than 84% of these business owners rate sending targeted emails that land in their inbox for ultimately closing them as their biggest concern. So it's fair to say that finding and closing high-paying leads is one of the biggest and most untapped business boosting opportunities for the next decade. Yes, even if you're an established business honcho or just starting out in the digital marketing universe, artificial intelligence is the new granddaddy in the targeted lead-finding universe, and businesses of all shapes and sizes can't ignore its huge worth at any cost. Now, if you're thinking about why is artificial intelligence growing so rapidly, the reason for that is simple, my friend. Artificial intelligence promises to find high-paying leads as well as close them by sending targeted emails and much more with zero or very less human dependency. So there's an urgent need for a brand new artificial intelligence-based technology for finding profitable business leads across the globe. But all that glitters is not gold. There are tons of roadblocks when you decide to find leads and even send them targeted mails right inside their inbox. So if you're a product creator, an affiliate marketer, an e-com store owner, a SaaS seller, an agency owner, a small or medium business owner, or anyone willing to tap into this huge potential 24/7, 365 without wasting money on hiring expensive freelancers, without purchasing any complicated lead finding platforms, without doing anything yourself, or depending on expensive third-party subscriptions, I've got some great news for you today. Presenting SendBuddy AI, the world's first AI-powered email marketing technology that lets you find millions of red-hot leads and even send them targeted emails right inside their inbox in less than 60 seconds. Just follow 3 easy steps to get started. Number 1, log in. Number 2, find. Number 3, send and profit. Here are some of its amazing benefits. First to market, cutting-edge AI-powered email marketing technology that's the future of intelligent solutions. Instantly target most profitable leads and convert them into lifetime buyers. Uncover red-hot email leads in seconds. Detailed information on each lead to make long-term profitable business connections. Get AI-optimized deliverability to send emails right into customers' inbox. Remove unwanted leads using premium email lead filters. Schedule prospect email follow-ups to remove all manual work. Personalized AI-generated emails that boost open rates. Zero website scraping or third-party ads needed. Easily reach out to prospects using multi-channel sequences. Get detailed analytics and stats for campaigns to maximize profits. Extract red-hot leads and leave the boring ones at bay. Send emails at different times in a day to avoid spam folder. Edit and resend high-converting emails to maximize commissions. Save thousands of dollars on third-party email marketing apps. Not find a single lead or send any email yourself? Our revolutionary AI does it all. Ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee included, and tons of other benefits with your access today. And here's the biggest news. Now you can make even more profit by helping businesses with complete agency commercial license. Yes, with this premium commercial license, even you can make a cool passive income by providing red-hot lead services for your clients as well. Take my word, if you're tired of all the bullshit going around and want to have a secured financial future, then SendBuddy AI is the happy ending for your search. You'll agree that it's 100% fair for such a steal deal to last for a limited period. We're confident that this much value has never been offered at such a low price. So it's really about using this technology for your business as quickly as possible to profit like never before. You'll also receive easy-to-understand video training and round-the-clock support from our excellent customer service team. Remember, your purchase is always backed by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, simply ask and get all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. Here's a fair warning. SendBuddy AI will soon be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get SendBuddy AI for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.